Device Configuration Overview. When a device is connected, you can view device information in GNSS status in the Device Status section. The Configuration section consists of 10 menus: Network, System, Report, Tracking, I/O, Geofence, BLE, Accessories, RF, and Commands. Each parameter has a unique ID. Clicking the icon displays detailed information, including the description, default value, and valid range. Required fields are marked with an asterisk, and entering a value outside the valid range will display an error message. Each section includes a send button to apply settings directly to the device. You can use the search function to find section names, parameter names, or ID values, and clicking a search result will take you directly to the corresponding item. After configuration, you can save the profile to your PC by clicking the Save button in the Profile menu. Profile-related features will be explained in detail in the 9 How to Use the Profile menu tutorial video. When configuring without a connected device, no information is displayed in the device status screen. In the configuration screen, the Save button appears in each section instead of the Send button, allowing you to temporarily save individual settings. You can then save all configurations at once to your PC using the Save function in the Profile menu.